Juice, what the fuck are you wearing? Is that a Mario Kart?
Yeah.
That's so stupid. What the fuck? Hey. Oh, oh.
You should say hey to me. That worked so well with me.
What?
It's working one.
What? What?
It's fucking cursed! It's cursed! We cannot say hey to each other on a staircase. We're cursed! Oh, I'm sure this won't be anything bad. Fuck me.
Did Richard die?
Nope. Uh-oh.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Sometimes Richard was a lot.
Maybe you'll get a better view if you crouch.
I don't... No, he's not dead down there. He's
Oh, I see
alive.
him. I see him.
Do you?
Yeah, you gotta get, like, come up here and crouch.
We have to buy a shower. Oh my god, that is amazing. Let me in. Wish this shower was not see-through glass right now. Is that you? Come get me, please! See, that's one way I can tell. That's one way I can tell.
Oh, what?
Hello.
Why were you running? What?
What?
Walk over.
You guys hear that? That's a burp of a man. A man who ate 10 chocolate pretzels.
Chocolate pretzels.
See?
Don't die.
Okay, man.
Hello. Hey. You do? Well, I guess not anymore, huh? Alright, bye guys! Wahoo!
Level event all. What the? No one else just saw that?
What?
Back to the first map because everything else fucking sucks.
Smell my finger.
Hey, bud. Wanna come into this room with me, man?
Yeah, man. Oh god, it's a dead end. It's a dead end! I didn't know! Help! Help! I don't want to be one of you! Run!
Oh shit! Come this way. Where are you going?
I want loot.
Come this way. Where are you going?
Dude, you're not real, what the hell? Wait, I can't jump! No!
Get it.
He's dead. Oh no, he's not.
No! Dude, wouldn't let me jump! Where?
Oh my god, you lucky fuck! Wow. Wow, it's not facing you. It's not facing you.
I know. I'm stuck. Oh.
It is now. Damn. Wow, that was lucky. It's facing you. It's looking right at you. Okay. Now it's not. It's at the wall. Come on. Oh, no, don't come on. Don't come on. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, I didn't. Ah!
I do believe you, man.
Hey, Bush.
The stop sign clip all over again.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting about the jump sign. That's true. Stop sign.
Thanks.
Oh my!
It's twerking,
God.
yo, hey,
This is big.
Oh, oh my god!
What just happened? What just happened?
I saw that whole thing! What is that? What is that thing?
What? What is that?
That I may have caused this, this incident. I disabled the magnet as we were landing.
Oh, okay.
It
Because I
sprung it
was
in
so
the air.
confused because I saw it clip through the first little batch of grass, and I was like, oh, okay. Then it fucking launched into the sky.
That's so funny.
That thing's in our ship, dude.
The liquor, yeah.
What is it doing? Oh,
It's
it
okay.
screams.
That's okay.
Hi. He's chill. He's so chill.
What? Really?
Is he?
What, you, what?
Yeah.
No, you fucking did.
No, I'm petting him. Look.
Oh, what the fuck? No! No! Jesus Christ!
I really want.
No! No!
Fucking serious.
Wait. Oh,
I
bye.
slipped.
What the hell? Whoa! Oh! Ah! It's on me! It's on me!
What is that?
I don't know. I guess he's chill now.
Oh shit!
I have a look.
The cool
Uh
guy.
oh. He's humping my head. He's humping my head.
Why is he
What the fuck? Where's he going?
sideways?
Where's he going? Where's he going?
Get it off me!
Hey, Mark, come back. Don't die, he'll be down.
Running on the white axis.
What are you doing?
You're running-
Oh, Original, you going?
You're running sideways. What the hell?
What is this little monkey on our heads, man?
Where are you going? Where are you going? Come back down.
I'm Mary Poppins, y'all. What? Oh! Oh! How am I alive? How am I alive? How am I alive? Oh. I was like right here in
What is
between.
that
I
red?
have no idea.
What is that red thing?
What red?
You see it? Oh my god! Okay, okay. I really was not trying to mess with him. There's a red dot there.
Oh my god. It will work.
Got it.
No.
Wait.
Uh-oh. Whoa!
What is
Aw. We're supposed to give the car, kind words of affection at the beginning of each workday.
Really?
Yeah.
That must have been what he failed
Ah.
to do last time. We love you, Cruiser.
Alright. Let's...
Run away!
Why?
It lied. I can't
Wait,
find
no.
words.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Don't do this. Don't do this.
I love you.
I love you, I love you. Don't do this. Please.
Maybe don't get on the.
Yes, it worked, it worked. I love you, I love you. It worked.
I love you, Cruiser.
Can we close the hood? Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Cruiser. We love
That
you.
worked. I love you. I love you.
Can I pet it?
I cannot, for the life of me, see. Is this where I went? Where did I come in from? It has to be here.
You're right. Is where we need to go.
Yeah, I
Worm!
know, but isn't there
Worm!
another way? No, that's a car. That's a car. That's a car. That's a car. Oh my god. Bro, back off. I'm not... Get out of here, freeloader.
What? Excuse me? Please save me. Truck.